Opal, come here. Hi, Opal.
Hello.
Okay, someone challenged you to say and repeat the words many times. Are you ready? Yeah, be prepared. Okay. Ang
Ang
balay
balay
ni Kiray
ni Kiray
libat.
libat.
Ang balay ni Kiray libat. Ang balay
Ang balay
ni Kiray
ni Kiray
libat.
libat.
Ang balay ni Kiray.
Ang balay ni Kiray
Ang balay ni Kiray
ang balay ni Kiray
libat.
libat.
Ang balay ni Kiray libat.
Something in my butt.
No! Ang balay ni Kiray libat.
I'm like libat.
Ang balay ni Kiray libat. Ang balay ni Kiray libat.
Ano ba
Ang balay ni Kiray libat. Ang balay ni Kiray libat. Oh my God. Habibi,
Yes.
I want you to repeat after me.
Okay.
Ako
Ako
ay
ay
baho
baho
og
og
utot.
otot.
Ako'y bahog utot.
Ahoy, okay, otot.
Ako ay bahog utot.
Ahoy, otot. What does that mean?
It means you're handsome. Now you know, ikaw ay bahog utot. Okay?
Okay.
What is your BF's background? So my BF's background is 8% onion, 90% biryani and palau, and 2% abu sayap.
She nailed it. She got it. What are you doing? I told you to use the vacuum. What is this brush? Is it from the Philippines?
Yes, and this is super powerful in the Philippines, and this is way better than vacuum, It cleans everything. It can clean the corner of your keyboard, everything.
What is the keyboard? Okay, actually, never mind. Let's discuss that later. Look, this is my human vacuum. Brings around duster from the Philippines and is cleaning our hallway. Wow, it is. Look at this dust. Lots.
Well, do you want the house to be clean all the time?
Yes, please.
Then I must use this because this is the best of all the rest.
Okay.
I prefer this over the vacuum.
Okay, keep going. You're doing excellent job, Helga. Wow.
Can you help me?
No, thank you. I should be lucky, but dinner not ready. What's for dinner tonight?
Me.
Oh, I won't be satisfied.
She left her man for this guy, LMAO. What are you talking about? I still have my man. My other man is on the left and the other man is on the right. You see, when I shake my body left and right, I have my man by my side. Okay? So now you know. Can't she say hey about it? In the Philippines, we say lahat in Tagalog, lahat, or tanan in Bisaya, tanan. And in English, we say everybody. Everybody, okay?